Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today we're going to learn about kind words. Kind words make people feel happy. Let's practice together. When we see a friend, we say, hello. Hello. Can you wave and say hello? Good job. Hello. When we leave, we say goodbye. Goodbye. Can you wave and say goodbye? Good job. Goodbye. Goodbye. Can you help me find my friend Adam? Look carefully. Is Adam in the big house or the small house? He's in the big house. Good job. Let's say hello to Adam together. Ready? Hello, Adam.
Hello.
Your turn. Say hello, Adam.
Hello.
Good job. Oh, Adam is leaving. Let's say goodbye to Adam. Ready? Goodbye, Adam.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Adam. Your turn. Say goodbye, Adam.
Goodbye.
Good job. We just learned how to say hello and goodbye. When we want something, we say, please. Can you practice with me? Ready? Please. Please. One more time, loud and clear. Please. Great job. My friend Adam is playing with a ball. Let me ask him for it, but I'm going to say please. Hello, Adam.
Hello.
Can I please play with that ball?
Sure, you can play with this ball.
Thank you. See, when we want something, we say, please. One more time. Can you say it loud and clear? Please. Great job. I'm so proud of how hard you tried. When someone shares with us, we say, thank you. Can you practice with me? Ready? Thank you. Thank you. Great job. Let's see if my friend Adam wants to share with me. Hello, Adam.
Hello.
Wow, I see that you have 2 cookies.
I can share with you.
Thank you. Adam shared his cookie with me. Thank you, Adam. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Good job. When someone shares, we say thank you. Sometimes when we make a mistake, it's important to say sorry. Can you practice with me? Ready? Sorry. Good job. One more time, but very loud and clear. Sorry. Great job. Hello, Adam.
Hello. Can you hold this, please?
Sure, I can hold that for you. Oh,
Oh, no.
sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sometimes we make mistakes, but it's important to always say sorry. When someone is standing in our way, we say, "Excuse me." Excuse me. Let's practice together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. Great job. I really want my ball, and it's on the desk right there, but Adam is standing in the way. Watch this. Adam, excuse me.
Oh, sure.
See? Now it's your turn. Can you say excuse me on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. I'm so proud of how hard you tried. Let's remember all of the kind words we learned together. Ready? Hello. Goodbye. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Let's take a break and have a dance party. Ready? Get up and move those feet. Ah, that was fun. Now let's go back and learn some more. When we have something fun or nice, we can share. I have 2 cookies. Watch me share with Adam. Ready? Hello, Adam.
Hello.
I'm gonna share my cookie with you.
Really? Thank you.
Now I have a cookie, and Adam has a cookie. That's called sharing, and sharing is caring. Sometimes when someone is playing with a ball or a toy, and we really want to play with it, we have to wait our turn. Can you say that with me? Wait our turn. Adam is playing with a ball, and I really want to play with it, but I have to wait my turn.
Here you go. Your turn.
Thanks, Adam. My turn. Can you say my turn? Good job. After I have my turn, it's Adam's turn. So when it's his turn, I'll say, your turn. Watch this. Your turn.
Thank you.
Kind words can also be helping words. We can say, Can I help? Can I help? Oh no! Adam dropped his toy on the floor. Can I help?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Your turn. Can you say it? On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can I help? Great job. Helping people makes them smile, and making people smile is the best thing. Let's practice using our listening ears. Are you ready? I think Adam wants to tell me something, so I'm going to use my listening ears. Hello, Adam.
Hello. I just went to the park, and I had so much fun.
Cool. See you later.
Goodbye.
I just used my listening ears. Using our listening ears helps us know when it's our turn to talk. Now, can you try it with me? Ready? On three, we're going to use our listening ears. 1, 2, 3. Good job! When someone is talking to you, always make sure you use your listening ears. Let's help Adam make a healthy choice. Ready? Should Adam eat the carrot or the candy? The carrot! Great job! The carrot is the healthy choice. Let's do another one. Should Adam eat the ice cream or the apple? The apple! Great job! The apple is the healthy choice. One more. Should Adam eat the chocolate or the tomato? The tomato. Great job. The tomato is the healthy choice. You just helped Adam make 3 healthy choices. You should be so proud of yourself. Let's help my friend Adam share. Ready? It looks like Adam has 2 cookies. Should he share one? Yes or no? Yes! Good job, Adam. It looks like Adam has 2 dinosaur toys. Should he share one of his toys? Yes or no? Yes! Good job! Good job, Adam. Let's help Adam make a gentle choice. Ready? It looks like Adam is done playing with his toy. Should Adam throw the toy? Or should Adam place the toy down on the ground gently? Good job! He should place the toy down gently. Good job, Adam. It looks like my friend Adam is all done playing with his toys. Should he clean up? Yes! Good job, Adam.
Thank you.
It's always important to clean up our toys. Let's show my friend Adam where to draw. Should Adam draw on the wall or on the paper? The paper! Good job! Should Adam drink his water or spill it on the floor? He should drink his water. Good job, Adam.
Thank you.
We don't spill our water on the floor, and if we do, we say, sorry, and we clean it up. MashaAllah, you did such a great job. Kind words make our hearts feel happy. Goodbye.